Alright guys, so back here again, and it is still windy outside now. It's still windy. The clouds are moving at the same time we're moving. It's pretty crazy weather we're having. Pretty crazy weather. So the rest of the guys are so just me because I'm the main character now because I'm newer. Whoa, it's so windy. It's windy. Okay. I should probably not put my head up because it might fall out. Then I might die. Whoa, the birdhouse is getting built. So it's full be built. We just gotta put a door, a garage door, and windows, and then house stuff. I don't know. I'm not a good house person. Whoa, it's so windy. I can hear the wind in the windows. So windy. Whoa. But it's getting really loud. Whoa, it's so windy. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Oh yeah, it's right up to me. Look at that flag when the flag is blowing a lot. Whoa. So if you guys are wondering where's the Wawa is now gone. They tore it down completely. All this time of having the Wawa up, it's now down now. I actually kind of thought that the Wawa was gonna stay there, but we were wrong. Green, light screen. Oh, actually no. Come on, car, go faster. Come on. Yeah, we have all day to go on our phones, car.
Want to go to Chick-fil-A today?
Nah. McDonald's is the best food place. Aim. Hold on, look at the park. On the wall, it says coming soon. If that car goes when the light's green, I'm gonna go outside and give him a ticket. Green light screen. Oh. Come on, car, go fast, come on. For some reason, the person that's behind the red is like, I'm gonna go back one. And then the other cars are like, go! Ah! Ah! It's so windy today. Oh, school buses, huh? So windy. Whoa. What is it? This would say, oh my god. I guess 6. There's the sun, guys. The clouds like, help me! I'm stuck in all these clouds. What's windy? If you were on Venus, you wouldn't even be able to see the sun. And then on Jupiter, guys, so I know Earth is windy like this, but if you were on a different planet like Venus and Jupiter or Saturn or something like that, it's twice as windy. Like, if you were driving a car on Jupiter and Venus and Saturn, well, not Venus because Venus is too hot and it'll come out, but if you were driving a car on Jupiter, and you would go flying. Wait, what the? There's just 2 shoes hanging from a wire. There's just 2 shoes hanging from a wire. So like, if you were on a different planet, like Venus, and Jupiter, and Saturn, you know, because actually Jupiter is not, because Venus is too hot. So you're probably melt. What else would it be here? So like, if you were on Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn, but actually because Venus is hotter and the car will melt, but if you were driving a car on Jupiter, your car will go flying.
Yeah. Why?
What?
How come it will go flying?
Because of the wind in Jupiter. So guys, so if you think Earth has the most wind, then you're right, because Venus, Jupiter, and Saturn have the most wind.
Oh.
Actually, Jupiter does, because Jupiter has twice as much wind. So Jupiter, guys, there's more clouds, wind bigger, gravity, all kinds of stuff. Jupiter's big.
Why?
So Jupiter has a lot of gravity. It's big. It has moons, like second most moons, because Saturn has more moons. So Jupiter is big, gas, giant, has second most moons, wind, and gravity.
Cool beans.
Cool beans. Do everything what I'm looking for. This morning was windier. This morning was windy too. This morning was, yeah. Sun, guys. It's so windy. There's bikinis, guys. Bikinis.
Cars in the drive-thru. You're gonna do the curbside today.
Yeah, curbside.
107.1 The Boss and 99.7 It's Michelle, where we give you tickets to all the hottest shows. I've been getting so many calls about Chris Rock. Yes, we have tickets. Go to 1071theboss.com and sign up, and you will get in the running for Chris Rock, Kevin Hart, PNC Bank Arts Center, and you will also get
I'm gonna go outside and film this.
Money Machine. Find out exactly
What? No.
Yeah.
Why?
Parking lot's not a safe place for you to be filming. Too many cars in and out of here.
So be sure to be listening.
When we get to my house, you can go outside though.
We've got
Huh?
a band playing at the PNC Bank Arts Center this summer. 107.1 The Boss.
I remember last time I came to curbside. I was making a video, and the sides were blowing and making those noises.
Oh yeah?
Because last time that I was filming at McDonald's, I was outside making a video, and those signs were blowing, like shaking and making that noise.
Cool.
So my birthday is coming up. Who is in for a pedal pub crawl?
Are you talking about the pedal cycle?
so windy. Sometimes guys just bees. We don't like bees because bees sting, bees hurt, bees are scary.
Local bars. Count me in.
I'll start making a playlist. Explore the Jersey Shore in style and hop on the pedal cycle. New Jersey's premier party bike and only pedal pub pro. Book your tour today at thepedalcycle.com. Must be 21 and over. Do you have a big wedding anniversary coming up?
We have tremendous values on big anniversary diamonds.
Wait, what's an anniversary diamond?
An anniversary diamond is at least twice as big as the one in her engagement ring.
Oh, and why does it need to be at least twice as big?
Because it says, I love you twice as much today as the day you married me.
That's so romantic.
So come on into Corinne to see fabulous 1, 2, or even 3-carat diamonds. Your anniversary diamond is sparkling now at Corinne Jewelers. Ashley is here to help you spruce up your home furnishings this spring. Save on this season's top styles throughout the store and online. For a limited time, pay 0% interest for 6 years. The spring's
Yes. A big ladder.
Won't you, so have to worry about copyright stuff?
Oh yeah.
Nice and soft.
Please, YouTube, don't copyright us, okay? Please, thank you. Please. Stupid eyes, my eyes right there. Yeah, that's out of my eyes. Because usually when I film those music in the car, and I can cover it, and then I go beep, and the beep, and the beep, you know, like that. My face hurts so badly. Gonna crack. Yeah. So windy. So windy too.
It sure is.